everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing so well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I install these mini twists using Hotbraids hair. I will be installing Hotbraids 3C for a kinky coily textured bulk hair. This is human hair, so it can be reused or dyed to match your hair color. I received 5 packs of hair for this install, and each pack came very full. I went and got my hair pre-parted by a hair professional because ain't nobody got time for that. She used the Pure Naturals Neat Braid Conditioning Gel when parting my hair. I had to go scoop it because this stuff is the literal truth. If you don't got it, go get it. But also on the lengths of my hair and my scalp, I'm back on that Blue Magic tip, so I use that as well. So here I am the next day with one full pack installed. I wanted my twist to be about bra strap length, so with each twist I use 2 pieces of hair. I split each of those pieces into 2. This hair is very soft and lightweight. It was very easy to pull apart, and I didn't have to deal with it tangling up on me. So after splitting each of those pieces into 2, I now have 4 pieces, and I use all of these for one mini twist. I spray it down. I get it pretty damp, not soaking wet, but just damp, and then I run that water through the hair. When installing, I started with the knotless method. So I braided my hair. I did one part of the braid, then I added my first piece of hair, then I did the second part of the braid, then added my second piece of hair, and then I did the third part of the braid, and then added the third piece of hair. I hope that made sense. But then I braided down about 4 times. I think it was 4 to 5 times. And once I get to that 4th or 5th time, I grab that middle piece of hair and split that in 2. Here you see me splitting only the bulk hair, but I usually try to split my natural hair and the bulk hair together. But once they're split, I start to twist. So I'm twisting both sides and crossing right over left, I believe. But just twist them in and cross. Twist them in and cross. So you twist it. Once I get about halfway down, I give it a little spray if it starts to feel like it's drying out some. And then before the twist thins out, I add in my 4th piece. For the bottom half of my head, I fed the hair pieces in the way that I just showed you all. But as I got higher up on my head, I had to switch the way I was feeding them in just to make sure that all of my mini twists were one length. They were starting to look uneven when I was feeding it the same way. So as I got a little bit higher up my head, I continued with the knotless method, but I only added 2 pieces at the start. So here's me adding my first piece and braiding that in, and then adding my second piece, braiding that in, and then I braided down, I think about 4 times. Let's see, I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I did 5, 6. We did 6. And then I grabbed that middle section, which is my natural hair only, split that in 2, and then I started my twisting. So my right over left twisting. I had to do this, like I said, to make sure that all of my twists were the same length. As I got towards the bottom of the twist, I added in my 3rd piece of hair. So like I said before, it starts to thin out because we want a pretty full twist. I added my 3rd piece of hair, and this is the same thing for that 4th piece. So as I'm continuing to twist down, before it starts to thin out, I add in my 4th piece, and then I twist that all the way down. Sometimes there was a little bit of bulkiness where I added in the piece of hair, but I would just continue to twist it down, and then once I completed the twist, if I just ran my hand through the entire twist, it just smoothed out that little bulky piece. So at this point, I believe that I have 3 packs installed. I did end up using all 5 packs. Literally every single last piece was used in my head, but the install still felt very, very light. You don't need 5 packs for a full head, but because I did go a little bit longer with my mini twist, I did need 5 of them. But if you plan to do mini twists using the Hotbraids bulk hair, you can get away with using way less than I did, especially if you plan to wear your mini twist shorter. I really, really like the length that I did mine. And because this hair is human hair, I do plan on reinstalling and wearing them a little bit more chunky and shorter. This style took me about 2 days to install. It can get done in one day, but I didn't have anything to do, so I took my time. And getting my hair pre-parted definitely saved myself a lot of time as well. Here is the hair completely installed. I believe I took this video about a week after installation, and the hair still looks really, really good. Honestly, the longer it's in, the better it looks. And I have received numerous compliments on this hair. So many people asking me about the hair, thinking it's my real hair. I think I found my go-to protective style. It's lightweight, it's not heavy on my head, and it's so cute styled. So here are a few different ways that I have been wearing this hair. Let me know which one's your favorite. This hair is so versatile, so flexible, and there's not really a style that you can't do with this hair. If you're interested in trying out mini twists, trying out this Hotbraids hair, I will have all of those details down below in the description box and a direct link to the exact hair that I used in this video. I hope you found this video helpful, informational, and that's all I have for you guys. So please take care of yourselves, be kind to yourselves, and I will see you all in my